Okay, moving on to chapter 12. A neoplasm is a growth of abnormal cells. Typically you're going to call them one of two things: benign and malignant. Remember, benign has no ability to spread. Malignant tumors can spread. This is done through a process called metastasizing. They're going to spread either through the lymphatic system or the blood. This is important because if you talk about secondary tumors versus a primary tumor is going to be where the derived abnormal cells are from. Like my example in class, the woman who had brain cancer that had moved to the lungs did not have brain and lung cancer, had brain cancer that had metastasized into the lungs. Therefore, she only has brain cancer. The big five cancers that we talked about in class, let's talk about smoking cancer first. Smoking cancer, lung cancer, same thing. Lung cancer is the cancer of those who smoke. Secondary people that will get lung cancer are those that work in work environments where you're breathing in asbestos or textile mills, environmental factors. If you talk about the treatments, surgery, radiation, and chemo. Prevention, don't smoke. Breast cancer. Breast cancer is the cancer of women who do one of seven things. They eat saturated fat, large amounts of it, have no physical activity, are obese, use hormone replacement therapy, have children above the age of 30, had early onset menstruation. We talked in class that early onset menstruation is directly tied with obesity. This is important because to prevent breast cancer, I want to limit alcohol consumption. I want to make sure I'm getting physical activity. I'm going to limit the amount of saturated fat. Treatments of this: surgery, chemo, radiation. Prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is the cancer of eating complete proteins. Complete proteins are found in meat products. Men who eat meat products that don't get them out of the system break down into things called androgens. Androgens cause the prostate gland to get bigger. Once it gets big, it causes mutated genes that are cancer-causing agents. So, for a man, if I want to prevent prostate cancer, I limit my meat consumption. If I eat meat, I eat fiber, I exercise, and I drink water. To treat prostate cancer, we have surgery and we have radiation, no chemotherapy. For our colon and rectal cancers, it's the cancer of people who eat red meat and smoked meat. To prevent it, I'm going to limit my cancer-causing agents, or if I eat them, I want the cancer-causing agents to get out of the body as quickly as possible. Surgery is the prime method of getting rid of colon and rectal cancers. Skin cancer, the death by cancer of skin cancer is going to be caused by a thing called melanoma. Melanomas are caused by UV rays. UV rays are broken into two groups: UV aging and UV burn. Aging, if I have a wrinkle, is caused by the A. If I have a burn, is caused by B. UVB rays. To prevent melanomas, I'm going to go through my A, B, C, D. Asymmetry, border, color, diameter. I want it to be round, no border, or a clear-cut defined border. I want it to be the same color and no less than a pencil eraser. I'll see you on the 2nd for your exam.